Hey friends, if you wish to troubleshoot common audio issues in Windows 11, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the process to fix it. So right click on the start button, select settings from the menu. Go to the system tab on the list on the left hand side, scroll down to troubleshoot, select other troubleshooters and click on run corresponding to the audio troubleshooter. Let it run through. Okay, so this is one of the solutions. The next solution will be that you can go to the system tab, select sound and make sure that the radio button is at the right speaker and microphone. After this, search for device manager and open the device manager. Expand the list for audio inputs and outputs. Right click on each one of them individually, and after right clicking on them you can select this option to update the driver and then search automatically for drivers. We have to do it for each and every one of them individually. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.